musician, I am a dreamer, an artist, a poet too. Oh, I am a visionary, I am a vat of creativity. I am, oh, I've got sweet blood, just ask the mosquitoes. I heard them talking just the other day. They said, let's go find her. I hear she's got blood like honey and a voice so sweet. We're not quite sure which one to eat. I hear she might be a magician or a musician. I can't quite keep them straight. Oh, I am a magical forest creature, just as my friends the trees. Oh, I heard them talking just the other day. They said, did you see the girl in the grass? She's got leaves in her hair and she made a big splash. I heard she might be a mermaid. Well, I'll just let them think what they wanna think. Oh, I am a redwood. I am tall and magnificent. I'll give you all my canopy of. I am strong and I am strong in my vulnerability. You can peel my bark, you can even see my roots beneath. Oh, I want nothing to hide, I've got nothing to hide. I need fire to start, but I don't need it to survive. Oh no, oh cause I've got the greatest secret of them all, and I'll share it with you if you lean a little bit closer. Now it's that I create my own realities, and my world is whatever the hell I want it to be. Cause I don't want to see the world as an endless desert that keeps me quiet and small. I want to see the world as a small vegetable garden that I can tend to with love and all. Because once you become better, everything around you becomes better too. Oh, what a wonderful